let's organize Google Drive so that when you open a document through Empower, it always goes into Google Drive anyway. And if it's organized, you can go back and find your assignments straight in Google Drive. You can also create your own documents to start working and then find them again in Google Drive. So the way we do that is, let's start by opening Google Drive. So I just went into a new window. I'm clicking on Drive. That pops me over here. And as you can see, every year that I've been a teacher, I have labeled the years so that I know which year to go to that I'm working on. The one for this year, I always label with a star. I did 2 stars for my example one. But this one has everything I've been doing as a teacher. So what I recommend is that you hit the new button and create a folder for the next school year. So for last school year, for example, it is 2020, 2021. I just hit that new, I hit folder, and I labeled it with a star, which is Shift 8, and then I put the year. If you would like, I'll give you stopping points, so you can go ahead and do this part now. That was under My Drive, new folder, put in a folder for this year. Go for it. Okay, so the next step in our folders, in our main yearly folder, is to create folders for your classes. So what I would do is I would look at your schedule and start with the first class you have. Remember, if your first period of the day is focus, literacy, or math, that's a work time. So for this example, I started with number 2 as my first actual class. But what I would do is I would go through and I would make new folders for each of your classes. So whatever period number your class is, like 3, science, or physics, or language acquisition, whatever it is, I would hit create. I would go make a new one, hit folder, make the next one. I'd go through your whole schedule, make classes, or make folders for all of your classes. All right, I'm going to give you time to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so after you have created your classes, you can find things in Empower. So when you go to an assignment in Empower and it opens to your locker and it was a Google Doc or Google Slides or whatever, those show up in the recent folder. So you can pop back over to your Google Drive, open your recent folder, and here at the top, like here's the thing I was most recently working on. Here at the top is the assignments that I've opened recently. So if I want to put this into the correct folder, I can do it a couple of ways. I can just click on it to drag it, and I can use my mouse to drag it over and go to My Drive, wait, just keep holding it down. Go to my folder, wait. Go to the class it should be in. Let's say it's in language acquisition, wait, and then drop it in there. Now, you can always, remember, make folders within that. So if you're making folders or if you're working on things by unit and like a research unit and you want your things to be part of that, you can make another folder within the class for that project you're working on. And then once I'm ready, I just drop it on top of there. Now I let go and it goes on top of there. The other way, which doesn't seem to work as well on Chromebooks, is to right click. So you get this menu and then click the move to, and then you'll be on My Drive. So click on that, click 2020, 2021, and then click the class you want it to go into, and then click move here. And then, or if you wanted to go into a particular folder, click move here. Then it will go into that place. So what I would do now is I would set up folders for all your classes, and I would go through your, you can click this arrow to make all that go away and get to the basics and go to your recent folder, and I would move any assignments that you have done for classes over to the particular or the correct folders that they should be in, or do this as you go throughout the year. All right, that's it. Talk to you guys later.